Hey guys, so today I just wanted to do a video kind of just chatting with you guys. So I thought that a fun way to do that would be a get ready with me. This is like the laziest makeup look that I do. Super everyday, super easy, super lazy makeup look. And so that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. So I'm just gonna pull my hair back here so it's out of my way. I really like these videos when I see them on YouTube, like real makeup tutorials, like of what people actually wear every single day and not just like super glam looks. I mean, granted, I know certain people do wear super glam looks every single day and I think that's amazing, but I for one am not the type of person that does like super full face glam makeup every single day. In fact, I don't wear makeup at all every single day. But sometimes you don't feel like wearing makeup. I don't feel like wearing makeup, I should say. And at the same time, I want to look somewhat presentable and somewhat like I tried when I go out into the world. Maybe I have to see people I know. So I want to have something on my face, but I want to do it super simple and super easy. So this is that look. So with this look, I don't do foundation. I just do concealer, and I use my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Custard. I recently talked about that in my 2018 favorites video, along with like 1,000 other products that are my favorite. I'll do a little card up above to that video if you haven't seen it yet. So I just taking this Born to Run palette. I will not be putting it on my face, but I'm just using the giant mirror. The mirror is amazing. So I normally take it on like my ring finger and I just tap that in under my eyes. Yeah, so I just take this concealer, and especially since like I'm not doing any foundation in this routine, I go a little bit heavier on that concealer under my eyes, and also because I have very dark circles. And then I like to kind of take it on my eyelid too, just because my eyelids are very dark, just a little bit. Like I said, I'm going a lot slower in this video because I'm talking to you guys, but normally this takes me like 10 minutes to do. So I also take that and conceal like my blemishes, my redness, things like that. So I've got one here, and then I just take that around my nose because my nose is always super red. So I really wanted to do this like chatty style video. I don't think I've ever done like a chatty get ready with me or a chatty anything, like a chatty hair routine, chatty any video ever. But I really like this style of video. Like when I'm watching YouTube videos, I find that I prefer this style, like even with makeup tutorials, rather than where it's recorded and then they talk over the recording, like explaining what's going on. And let me know what you guys like. Do you like more like talk through videos like this, or do you prefer if it's like recorded and then they record like audio over it explaining what they're doing in the video? Do you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm explaining this weirdly, but okay, next I go in and just powder my face a little bit. I'm just using the RCMA No Color Powder. This is almost gone. I need a new powder as well, but I'm just gonna use that, and I just go mainly under my eyes because my eyes tend to crease, and also that I don't have foundation on, so I just have concealer under my eyes. But even when I do wear foundation, I always try to focus on my eye area because I get creasing. I also get like where my mascara runs, and I have like raccoon eyes, so that's fun. But yeah, so I just mainly focus on my T-zone and then a little bit over my face. I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and just bronze up my skin a little. I also wanted to thank you guys for all of your super sweet words on my my first video that all of my videos that I've posted so far, but especially my first video I posted about why I quit YouTube. I was so nervous to post that video, and I honestly didn't say half the things I wanted to say in that video. It was like the minute I turned the camera on, I just got like so nervous to post it, and I was like, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But I hope that most of my point got across, in that video. I really appreciated all your guys' kind words because I was super just nervous about what people were going to say or if people were going to say rude things. Everybody so far that has commented on that video has been super sweet and super nice, and you guys have been all really supportive, and I really thank you for like your suggestions about what you want to see from me and from my channel, and keep them coming. Honestly, I love suggestions. I want to make videos that like you guys want to watch. So I always bronze like a little bit on my nose, and then I do a little bit underneath just to give my nose a little shape, and then I go under my lip there. So then I also take a big fluffy brush. I'm going to use the MAC 224 brush. This is the scratchiest brush in the world, but it is the biggest fluffy brush that I have. And I just take that and put it just with my bronzer all over my lid and just really blend that out in the crease just to make it look like I have eyeshadow on. And I don't, but any powder can be eyeshadow. So that's what I'm doing here. A lot of you guys have been asking me about curly hair videos, and I definitely have some plans for curly hair videos, of course. My hair is not as curly as it used to be. I think I briefly mentioned that in my Why I Quit YouTube video. So yes, I will be making curly hair videos. I'm just gonna go in with this Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. This is like my favorite blush right now. So let me get a mirror here. I always accidentally wear too much blush, so that is just me. So if you think I'm wearing too much blush in this video, I probably am, but I'm going to try not to. And why did I put blush on? I always do highlighter before blush. I don't know what I'm doing. I got distracted. This is Hourglass, I don't know what this is called, Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in Champagne Flash. And this is a really amazing highlighter. So I'm just gonna go here, do that, and then buff it out a little bit. I'm just highlighting a little bit under my brow bone. Forgot to tell you what I was doing. So I always highlight a little bit the tip of my nose. I try to go a little bit higher than the tip just so it makes me look like my nose is more upturned than it is. And then a little bit on the bridge as well. And then in my Cupid's bow. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with blush a little bit because usually I do my highlighter before my blush because I like that it sort of melds the blush and the bronzer together. And then I usually do a little bit on the tip of my nose as well. And then the other thing I like to do is take a little bit of my blush on that same brush I used and just do it a little bit more focused on the lid. And just adds a little bit of something. And I swear I do this all the time. And I can't tell you how many times people have asked me like, what eyeshadow are you wearing? It's so pretty. And I'm like, it's blush and bronzer. Like I'm not wearing eyeshadow. So it fools people. You might think it's ridiculous. It is a little bit ridiculous, but nobody knows. People think that I'm actually wearing eyeshadow. But like I said, powder is powder. So like honestly, what is really the difference between blush and eyeshadow when it comes down to it? They're both powder makeup products. And then I'm gonna take on my pinky, just rub my highlighting stick here just to add to my inner corners a little something. I'll either just use my Glossier Boy Brow and just comb through my brows, but if I want to make it look like I tried a little bit harder, I will just do my full brow routine. Today I think I'll just do my full brow routine. I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil thingy. I usually don't do my brows in quite such a small mirror that like I'm using today, so if they turn out horribly, it's very possible that they'll turn out horribly. So I feel like with my brows, I have very little control as to the end result. Like they're either gonna look good or they're not, and it's almost entirely out of my control. It's just like whatever they feel like doing that day. It's not really about my ability or skill. Also, please don't judge my brows too harshly. I have not had them waxed in 1,000 years approximately. I feel like I've had really bad experiences with waxing, like people just waxing them too much, over waxing. I mean, I've been waxing my eyebrows since I've been 12 years old because, not me personally, but I've been going to get them waxed since I've been 12 years old because I have the thickest eyebrows naturally, or I did as a kid. And I had like an almost unibrow. It didn't quite connect, but it almost connected. And I was really self-conscious about my eyebrows. So like over the years, they just kept getting smaller and smaller because people kept waxing them more and more. So I've been trying to grow in my brows for like, I don't know, a couple of years now. So I don't get them done at all, as you can, I'm sure, tell. I used to say I have the eyebrows of a 65-year-old man. So after I fill them all in, then I just take the little spoolie part and I try to go for it quite a bit just because, I don't know, I don't want them to be too much, you know? So then I go in with my Glossier Boy Brow. I have this shade brown. Glossier Boy Brow is like my favorite brow gel ever. It's really, really, really good. And I like that it's a little bit tinted. I like that it can make my brows kind of stand up a little because I like that look. Like, you know, I've just stuck my finger in a light socket. So I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Let me tuck my hair because it will get everywhere. And I'll just mist this. I don't always do that, and of course if you're in a super hurry, setting your face is, you know, it's not really that serious. But for the sake of this video, I did set my face just to show you guys what I would do if I was really trying to make sure that it lasted, even though it is like a super simple, super easy look, super lazy look as well. So now I'm just gonna put some mascara on, and I'm using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I'm just gonna put on mascara. So let me know if you know of a good volumizing and lengthening mascara, or if you have a favorite one, like if those are things that you look for as well. Let me know what it is, because I feel like there's so many mascaras out there. Some of them are much pricier, some of them are cheaper, but yeah, I don't know, it's hard to know, and I just feel like I am so picky about mascara. I don't think that there's a single mascara that I've tried, and I've tried a lot, that I really feel like is like my one true mascara love. So I am always on the hunt for a mascara that's going to be like super bomb. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorite mascara is, and also like what you look for in a mascara. So that's pretty much it for this look. The only thing I would do is put on some lip balm. This is the Agave, what is this? Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm. I love this lip balm. This is like a little mini version. They have a full size, but I just have the mini. So normally I just go out of the house like this and be fine. Maybe at some point in the car while I'm driving to wherever I'm trying to get to, I might put on a lipstick, something really easy to apply. But if I'm gonna put a lipstick on, I'm gonna put on the Glossier Generation G lipstick in Leo. They recently changed this formula, I heard. They changed the packaging and they changed the formula. Now, I'm fine with them changing the packaging because the packaging is awful. Mine has cracked. The lipstick has kind of detached, so it's just floating around inside of here. So I understand why they changed the packaging, but the formula was perfect. There was no need to change the formula. I don't know why they changed it. So I'm very upset about that and wish I had bought like 20 of these before they changed the formula. However, I should mention that I have not tried the new formula, so maybe it's great, maybe it's amazing. If you have tried the new formula of the Glossier Generation G lipsticks, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. And if you have tried the old formula, let me know how it compares, because I'm really scared about it. Let me know what you guys think about it. But anyway, this is the original formula and I love it. It just gives the slightest little wash of color. And so when you put it on just by itself, it just looks like barely any color. But if you line your lips first, it really intensifies the color of it. And it really looks cool. So if I'm doing like a full look, I will typically line my lips first and then put that over it. It's just a really versatile lipstick that I really, really love. Okay guys, that completes this video. This was my laziest makeup look for when I really don't want to wear makeup, but I also really don't want to look like I'm not wearing makeup. Normally this takes me very little time to do, probably a little bit longer since I was chatting with you guys while I was doing it. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and let me know if you enjoy this style of video where I'm sort of just talking through. Let me know which one you prefer, and then I will do those videos in the future. Thanks for sitting down with me, you guys, and doing my makeup with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, don't forget to like, and please don't forget to subscribe. And feel free to go follow me over on Instagram, where I post pictures of my cats and my plants and my face. I will see you guys next Tuesday in my next video. Bye.